What's our plan now, Joe?
I think we're gonna go get lunch.
Lunch. Nice.
Welcome to JBL Vlogs. Alright people, welcome back to another lit ass video. Let me give you a farm tour, you know. Just gonna show you around my farm. Should be pretty damn lit, so stay tuned, boy. First stop on the list, the old garage. Let's go take a look and see what's in this little magic box. Oh shit. What?
Taping inside this, are you?
No, why?
What are you doing? You taping right now?
Yeah.
This isn't going on the vlog.
Why? Bleep it out.
No, it won't.
Why?
Cause.
Why? What the fuck? Alright people, I'm back inside. I was trying to make a farm tour vid, but Josh didn't think it was a good idea. Cause people are gonna just come to the middle of nowhere and just rob us all. That's literally what he thinks is gonna happen, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna end the vid, man. Hopefully you enjoyed like this 2-minute little vid. Sorry about another shitty video. I'm trying to make a dope one, but never works out because we're just gonna get robbed and everybody's just gonna kill us. Josh thought I was showing too much of our property, but okay. Just I don't know. See you later, dude.